Have you ever seen a machine component fail even though your stress calculations look perfect? Answer is fatigue failure is the silent threat behind most real world breakdowns. Hello from Deep Jyoti Product Design. In today's fast-paced design world, every engineer needs to understand fatigue life. How components survive millions of dynamic load cycles, not just static load. Too often, fatigue is left to guesswork or expensive FEA tools. FEA tools have failed to calculate the exact life of component, but that doesn't have to be the case. You can hand calculate fatigue life using proven methods, rainflow counting, miners rule, Goodman diagram, methods trusted by top companies, top directors. That's exactly why we have created the Fatigue Life Calculation course, a practical online course for mechanical engineers, product designers, and professionals. Inside the course, you will learn how to use rainflow counting to process complex loading, apply Minor's rule for cumulative fatigue damage, use Goodman criterion to calculate factor of safety, real case studies, calculation sheets, all based on industry standards and real world practice. If you want to design products that last and stand out as a truly knowledgeable core design engineer, visit our website www.deepjyotiproductdesign.in and enroll today in the Fatigue Life Calculation course. Let's design for durability.